Hey, good morning. It's Jill and Wally, Fox Party of Three. We travel full time in our truck camper, and some days you just have to do a little bit of maintenance. Today was one of those days for me. I just decided I wanted to change out my cabin air filter. Now, people are often changing out their engine air filter on their vehicle, but not the cabin air filter. And a lot of people don't even know what that is or that your vehicle even has one. If you haven't changed your cabin air filter out in a year or two, I would suggest you do so. I let this go on too long. It's been about 14 months and 46,000 miles, and I haven't changed my filter out for the first time. So today was it. I was shocked at how bad my air filter was, and when I went to pull the air filter out, I saw some start of nesting material from a rodent, and so yeah, I caught it just in time, or it happened while we stored the truck for a month last winter and put the truck in storage. It probably happened more likely then, but anyway, if you haven't changed your air filter, do it. Here's what mine looked like. Now, I've already shaken this thing out one time, but this nesting material was on top and was started to roll as I pulled my air filter out. And then there was a lot of leaves and debris inside my air filter. Yeah, this stuff is what you're breathing. This filters the air inside the cabin of your vehicle. So we were rebreathing all this air. So shocking. This is the worst one I've ever seen on my vehicle. But yeah, I would change it out every year or so. If you don't know how to do it, do what I do. I go on YouTube. I search for my vehicle type, and there's usually several good videos on how to do that, and it'll walk you through the process. But spend a little money. When you buy your next auto supplies, pick you up a cabin air filter. This is for my particular 2021 Ford F350, and that works for, I think, 2017 to 2022 model. I can't remember the price, but I don't care what it costs. If I can get rid of this, it's worth the price, okay? So just a little maintenance tip for you. I also did a video on how to prevent or how to help prevent rodents from getting inside your engine compartment. I advise you to watch that one as well. Maybe that'll help you too. So just some steps to take, preventive maintenance, some things we do while we're full-time living, a lot of times out in the wild. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. If you like the video, click that button. If you want to subscribe, please do. I don't care, but it makes Jill real happy. Anyway, hope to see you guys down the road. Thanks again.